hello, little rooster. Well, hello there. Oh, you're a big boy. Hello. Well, it's a chilly morning, but temperatures are supposed to increase, so the birds, the meat birds that we purchased from Mount Healthy Hatchery are now almost all the way feathered out. But we've run into a problem where we have the baby Jersey giant crosses that we hatch that are in the house that need to come out to the brooder. So Sean has got the chicken tractor ready and we're gonna get it set up. Well, he's gonna get it set up, and then we're gonna move some big old fat meat birds and gonna fashion it to where they have light to stay warm and show you what it looks like. So Sean's putting tarp on. He's going to do 3 sides to keep the wind and rain out, and then also to help keep the heat in during these colder days. And then he's also going to hang the heat lamps under there as well, since it is a little chillier yet, so that they help keep their temperature regulated. But he does the 3 sides, that way they have always a wind break, a rain break, shade, and then the way we move the tractor, the tarped part of the tractor will always be facing our wind, so that if we do get storms that come through, it does its job at keeping the weather out. They're flying all over, freaking out.
There's one. Actually, I'm thinking I'll put that pole across and hang them down lower now.
What?
I said since they're smaller, I think I'm going to put the little pole across and hang the lights lower.
Yeah. Probably be a good idea.
Alright guys. Lightless for now.
They're just like, where's my food?
It's like, no, you took our heat. What's up?
Rips.
Yeah, they're heavy duty. Oh shit.
What?
Whoops.
What?
I don't think that's supposed to come apart like that.
Heavy duty wasn't so heavy duty?
Yeah. It's okay. It's not a complete failure yet. We can fix it. I need this lower though, I think.
Okay. Hang on.
Yeah, right there. So you gotta come out and come back up right now. About there?
Yeah. Don't you think?
Yeah.
We can always lower it if we need to.
Oh yeah.
Just make sure them cords and stuff, they don't can bite them because, you know, they'll eat anything in sight. Little velociraptors they are.
Getting out.
Yeah, that needs to come out away from that corner a little more because it looks like it's just that one little corner going to be lit up, you know what I'm saying?
Got it.
I don't know. Think that's okay?
About as best we're gonna get unless I get another.
Because that's as long as that pole.
And once we cover it up, should be okay.
Yeah, we'll try it. If they're hoarding all in that, you know what I mean? I just don't want to encourage anybody to get smushed.
No, this should be plenty of space there. Unfortunately, I didn't measure the tarp and build the coop to the tarps, so we got used two.
And we all about recycle, reuse, and save, so we ain't gonna either build a new coop for the tarp or buy a new tarp for the coop when we got them right here, right?
Good thing we got a ton of tarps.
That's right.
Now, where the back of this is covered, do you want to leave it to where I have a flap covering up more of that as well?
Yeah,
So I can set it that way.
yeah. I think that's a great idea. And that'll give them a lot larger roof as well for shelter, and we won't have to fashion like the boards like we did last year, you know?
Right.
Try that again.
Try that one more time.
E-man,
The tree grew a little bit.
it's waking
More
up.
space last year, that's for sure.
Well, and the tree's waking up now. The morning dew's getting off of it. So it's rising. So we're gonna move the meat birds. So they are almost 4 weeks old. You can see they're almost completely feathered out. Some are still a little sparse. You can see that poor fella right there, but a lot of them are almost feathered. So we're gonna go ahead and move them.
Easy, easy, easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy.
And that way they can get back under their heat lamp. They're gonna be not happy about it at first, but they'll get over it.
They'll love it.
They'll realize that grass is there and they'll be good to go. We're dipping their little heads in the water since this is a new water to them. And it's very similar looking to the old water that was in their little brooder. So they should adjust to it fairly easily. Oh, hello, little rooster. Well, hello there. Oh, you're a big boy. Hello. Hey, I'm a big boy. All right. Don't let my attire fool you. I freeze to death. It's actually probably about 50 degrees outside. I saw that.
Yeah.
I look like I'm dressed and it's 30 degrees out. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're beating my hands to death. See? You're okay? I'm not going to see you. Not yet, anyway. That was kind of mean. Started out with 26. We lost 3 just because, no particular reason. They were a lot smaller than the other chicks when we got them, so I pretty much knew we were going to lose those 3. So that puts us down to 23 meat birds. You can see they're already loving their light. So as you can see, the baby birds are a little bigger now. They are 3 weeks old. And they grew out of the tub they were in within the first 7 days. So what we do then is we put up the old playpen, line it with cardboard and wood shavings, and then we use their rent-a-coop mother hen. It's a 10 by 10. It holds 15 chicks, keeps 15 chicks warm, so that's sufficient enough for what we have here. And then we just have their food and water. I had to put a sheet on top because they were flying out and the puppy, that would be no good. So we have the sheet up top. And we are getting ready to move them outside to the large brooder that we just took the meat birds out of, because they are dusty as all get out, and I am sweeping this floor probably 13 times a day and dusting about 5 or 6 times a day. So I can't anymore, I'm over it. So We, as you saw, put the meat birds in their tractor, and now it's time to get the coop cleaned out. Sean's working on that now, and get these guys moved over and take you along. Maybe I'll play chicken guard. Hang on, let me come around. I'll play chicken guard and you can... Oh, there's one. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, another olive egger. 2 little olive eggers. Got Heidi Hides. Got, looks like little Jersey Giant.
Putting their chips in their water, so I guess they'll find it.
That's all right, they're getting it. Oh, another little olive egger. That's from a hootie. Now these are all Jersey Giant cross, so, and that is another olive egger, which is a Jersey Giant cross olive egger. What do we have next? Is that my little cuckoo? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be our cuckoo giant cross. No? Or it might be a blue, Rhode Island blue giant cross.
This one's the cuckoo. For sure.
Yeah, that one's definitely for sure a cuckoo giant cross. Yep, I agree with you, baby. Ooh, almost caught it. Oh, you little stinking dusty buggers. There you go, little Jersey Giant, looks like. Yep. I got another little Jersey there, not knowing what to do in the middle. Oh, yes, beautiful. Yeah, I think that other one is a blue little Jersey Giant. Now, ooh. Another little Jersey. Okay, okay. So now, these are the ones, as I was saying, that we crossed with the Jersey Giant. But there are 3 or 4 Jersey, actual Jersey Giants. And then it looks like I have 2 white olive egger giant crosses. Those would be from our white Hootie Hoo Americana. And then our cuckoo. Yeah. I'll figure it out. While we're out here, Sean's fastening the water up off the bottom. Let's go peek in on the meat birds. It's pretty windy today. Sun's shining. It's a gorgeous day, but it is windy, as you can see. Flag out there blowing in the wind. So Sean went ahead and just draped a tarp over just to keep the cool breeze out, because the breeze is really chilly. But as you can see, they are quite toasty warm. Oh, laying in the warmth of the lights, drinking and eating the food we put down. These are happy, 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 happy little chicken nuggets. And you can see there's the breather holes here for the coop. So Sean's going ahead and blocking that off with this wind. Or are you just covering the whole thing? You're just going to cover the whole thing, babe?
Pretty much. I'm only giving them a little bit of airspace just because.
Yeah, well, yeah. Ventilation, they need that.
But I don't want to take all their light away either, so it's just kind of like, because
yeah.
it's dark now, you know. They don't have a light.
Right. They have their...
They have natural light.
Yeah, and their renta Oh, I see what you mean, because if you close it off, it will be really dark in there.
I just think it's dangerous.
But it was pretty smart leaving this. Look at you. Here I'm like, cover that up so it keeps the warmth in, but you covered it all up at this end, and now they're all down here with the mom hen. Rent a coop, because they were at the other end earlier, kind of freaking out in their new place.
Now they're with some familiarity.
Yeah.
They're not squawking as bad.
No,
This craziness will be gone in a couple days. It'll be 80, and I can uncover all of this.
Let me go this way. They're all like, what do you got?
It's amazing the birds are the same age. Oh, it's game on now.
We really are blessed that we're able to do this and, you know, raise these meat birds up to consume for our family and ourselves. We know what they eat. We know they've been raised humanely and with love, and they're given fresh grass every day. It just makes those meals mean so much more. Well, that's it for our video. Again, if this is stuff you like seeing, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, as always, have a great day.